Welcome. This video will guide you through safely resetting your Tesla Powerwall 3, a crucial troubleshooting step for resolving minor issues like connectivity problems, app glitches, or system unresponsiveness. As of late 2025, resetting is even easier thanks to firmware updates. We'll cover everything from simple reboots to more involved methods. Remember to always prioritize safety. It's important to differentiate between a safe reboot or power cycling and a full reset. A safe reboot temporarily disconnects power to clear glitches like restarting your computer. A full reset or factory reset erases all data and settings and should only be used as a last resort for persistent problems like firmware corruption. Here's a visual flow of the hard reset process. This diagram shows the differences between reboot, reset, and restart. We'll focus primarily on safe reboots as they solve most common issues. Tesla's 2025 firmware enhancements make app-based reboots the safest and easiest method for resetting your Powerwall 3. Open your Tesla app on your smartphone. You'll see the main interface showing your energy status. Navigate to the Energy section from the main menu. Then select Powerwall from the Energy menu. Go to Settings within the Powerwall section. Finally, access the advanced options. You should see a Reboot Device option. Tap to initiate the reboot. The Powerwall will cycle for about 5 to 10 minutes. Watch the voltage and power levels change in real time. The app logs this event for diagnostics, making it the preferred method. If the app is unresponsive, you can perform a manual reboot. First, locate the Powerwall's circuit breaker, typically on the side panel. The circuit breaker looks like this in the electrical panel. Switch the breaker off for 30 to 60 seconds. During this time, voltage and power will drop. Then switch the breaker back on. Watch for the LED lights to cycle from red to green, indicating the reboot is complete. Remember to avoid doing this during peak energy usage to prevent energy loss and ensure the system is disconnected from the grid for safety. After rebooting your Powerwall, carefully monitor the system for any error codes that may appear. A common error code is PW3-ERR01, which indicates a communication fault. This means the Powerwall is having trouble connecting to Tesla servers or your home network. If you encounter this or other issues, first check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is stable or that Ethernet cables are securely connected. Next, make sure your Tesla app is up to date. Open your App Store and check for the latest version, as updates often include fixes for connectivity problems. If issues persist, refer to the Tesla support website or contact Tesla support directly. They can provide specific guidance for your error code and situation. Always perform resets during off-peak hours if possible to minimize disruption and ensure safety. Back up your settings via the Tesla app regularly to avoid data loss in case a full reset is needed. Wear insulated gloves when dealing with the circuit breaker to protect against electrical hazards. If you are unsure about any step, consult Tesla support or a qualified electrician, especially if your system is still under warranty, which covers up to 10 years. Looking ahead, Powerwall resets are becoming increasingly automated. Tesla's updates include predictive diagnostics that can suggest reboots before issues even arise. These resets are also integrating with smart grid systems for remote load balancing. While manual resets remain important, future firmware updates are likely to minimize the need for them, further simplifying home energy management.